hate coming on the camera looking crazy, but today is glam day. I'm going to get my hair done, gonna get my wig installed, and I'm taking you dolls with me. I just woke up. I just washed my hair myself in the shower. It looks crazy, so I cannot wait to get it done. Okay, so quick outfit of the day. I'm wearing a bodysuit from Fashion Nova, and I am training my waist with my Kior waist eraser from Keisha Kior. Now, let me just quickly call my Uber. So I'm debating whether I should wear a hat or not. I'm gonna be in a cap, so nobody's really gonna see me. So I don't think it really matters. I just threw on my jacket. It's from Pretty Little Thing, and the Uber is on its way. So we're about to be out the door. It's low-key cold outside, but I'm like low-key hot right now. I'm actually really excited to get this hair installed. I haven't had weaves in my hair since my procedure, which was last year in November. And I just really miss being dolled up and looking cute, because you know that's what life is all about, being super dolled up. I can't wait to get my hair installed. I'll see you dolls at the hair salon. Alrighty guys, I just got into the hair salon and I'm about to get slayed. Alrighty, my hair is halfway braided up. Can't give away her secret, so I'm not gonna vlog the process of her doing my hair, but can't wait to see the final result. Going down. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna put your info in my description box. Yes, honey. Curls for the girls. Curls for the girls. Yeah. So dolls, this is how my hair came out. I absolutely love it. My hairstylist was a little camera shy, but we're gonna work on that with her because I love the way that she did my install, which means that I will be going back. And we're gonna be trying a lot of new looks this year. So send me some looks, DM me some looks on Instagram so that I can try some new things. How you dolls love it? This is my Filipino body wave. I watercolor dyed it jet black, and I did record myself doing that. The fact that I watercolored it jet black did affect my hairstylist customization method, but as the bomb hairstylist she made sure that everything worked out in our favor. So I'm super duper happy, I'm super duper excited, and I just love it. Like, look at all the body, guys. I'm just so geeked right now. I'm so geeked about my hair. I absolutely love it. Now I have to go put my makeup on and cut up. First time doing a side part too with weave, so I'm really digging it. All the info on this hair will be in my description box. Again, this is a full lace wig, love. Who is she, darling? Who is she? Alrighty, dolls. So thank you for coming along with me today, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Bye, dolls.